Hello YouTubers, I'm back on the terrace. Today is Total Lunar Eclipse and this is, I'm guessing and I'm pretty sure it's my first time I'll be ever witnessing. If I get to see it, that will happen somewhere behind that side. People have started gathering around on their terraces. The time is 6:30 and it's 6 o'clock now, so we'll see how much visibility it's there. It's getting quite polluted around the horizon, and because of the pollution and the fog, it's going to be difficult to see the eclipse, and the sun is not set yet. So if that is still if the sun is still up, then it's going to be even more difficult. I'll set up my two cameras today. One will be on top over there and the other will be mobile with me. I'll try to get maybe some good profile shots. Okay, so I've set up my tripod there, but you can see the grill is a problem. Plus every time I go up and down, it's shaking like anything. That's going to make the tripod a bit unstable to hold, or even the frame, I won't get a steady frame. So I'm having second thoughts about actually going through with it. Hello again. So the 600D is taking time lapses upstairs and the 80D is not operating because, as you can see, there's a nice range of clouds now accumulating from the west and going all the way towards the east, and that's the Parvati, and above it it's all the pollution. Over that layer is again clouds, I'm guessing, or pollution, and above that is the sky. So I'm not feeling very positive if I'm going to get to see the eclipse. Okay folks, the eclipse is almost done now. It's very bright now. I can almost see everything very clearly without any torch or light. I'll just zoom in and show you how it's looking now. I have the 250mm, which is the maximum telephoto lens that I have, and this is how it looks on the 250mm. Not bad, I guess. Okay, so that's it from me. I'll see you next time. Bye.